They're so durable. I have never seen a bao bun break. I feel like you can... I was gonna say it doesn't break. Ah! Oh my god, are you kidding? I forgot you can't cut. Wow. I like that boom boom pow, them chickies.
I mean, it's just plastic. It's really just...
Really fun. I do love the coloring of this one the most, and it's really stretchy. Oh my god! Morales are getting higher. On second thought, it might be plateauing. It's leaving behind a really gross residue on my hand. I mean, it does stretch. Ew, I just sucked it up! So bad though. That's okay, I did just break the tail. I never knew decapitation could sound so good.